अब आप स्टार हो गए हो, अब आपको थोड़ा एटीट्यूड दिखाना चाहिए, अब थोड़े आप वो हो जाओ, थोड़े टशन में रहो। मैं ये सोचता ही नहीं हूँ यार कि मैं इतना बड़ा स्टार बनूंगा या उससे बड़ा स्टार बनूंगा या स्टार बनूंगा या सुपरस्टार बनूंगा या मेगा स्टार बनूंगा। जमखुड़ी माराથી કંટ્રોલ નથી થતો.
Ranveer Singh launched the book Superstar Advice at a bookstore in Mumbai. Have a look.
Is the pressure on stars to create godlike physiques almost too hard to bear?
Jamal, it really depends on the character that you're asked to play. For instance, there's a film that I've just completed, Lotera, which doesn't demand any real type of ripped physique or anything. You just have to look like a regular guy, because I don't think in the 1950s they had a very strong gym culture. There wasn't the craze that we have these days. So you just basically have to look the part. In Ram Leela, for instance, Mr. Bhansali was very clear that he wanted me to look extremely hot. He said, "Baby, when you come on the screen, I just want girls to either want to tear your clothes off or their own clothes off." So he was very clear that he wanted a ripped physique. He wanted that wow impact to come when I appear on the screen for this particular film, because I'm playing Romeo, who is the quintessential heartthrob. So it's very necessary to have the physique that matches. Similarly, in the film that is going on the floors tomorrow, Gunde, it's an action drama, completely testosterone fueled with a lot of action. And Ali as well, he was very clear that for the action sequences, he wanted a certain kind of body. So it really depends on the film you're doing. If it's a requirement of the character, then one must do it. I think our film industry is sort of a place that people look to as a cue for pop culture. So when you had Mr. Salman Khan or Mr. Akshay Kumar or Mr. Hrithik Roshan building these physiques, people started looking up to them and wanted the same thing. So I think they've contributed in a large way to the prevalent gym culture, and you just see a lot more fitter people around these days. People are much more health conscious.
Is this a reinvention of what a superstar should be?
I have been told by people who've been working in the industry for a long time. When I was in my first film and the first film became successful, after that they would tell me things like, "अब आप स्टार हो गए हो, अब आपको थोड़ा एटीट्यूड दिखाना चाहिए, अब थोड़े आप वो हो जाओ, थोड़े टशन में रहो." And I was like, this is such wrong advice, please. When you're working with Mr. Bhansali, you have to come like a khulasan. Just be prepared for anything. The man is an absolute genius, and he's such a master of his craft, and he loves to improvise. मैं ये सोचता ही नहीं हूँ यार कि मैं इतना बड़ा स्टार बनूंगा या उससे बड़ा स्टार बनूंगा या स्टार बनूंगा या सुपरस्टार बनूंगा या मेगा स्टार बनूंगा. These are tags that are attached to you. You don't view yourself in that light. I'm just really, really happy and blessed that I have good work.
Who is your icon in Bollywood, if you would like to know?
I grew up on Hindi movies. I grew up on all these guys. Let's see, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, Anil Kapoor, Govinda, Amir Khan, all the Khans, Shah Rukh Khan, Akshay Kumar. In the late 80s and through the 90s and early 2000s, Mr. Hrithik Roshan, all these guys are guys who you've seen up there on the big screen and admired. So yeah, I have many idols. जो body Mr. Hrithik Roshan साहब ने क्रिश के लिए बनाई है, वो outstanding लगी मुझे. I think you've never seen anything like that, at least in the history of our cinema. I don't know, it was absolutely fabulous. It does look like a superhero. I think Anushka and Deepika, they've got really fit bodies.
How difficult was it for you to learn Gujarati and enact those words,
I went to Gujarat, I did some research, I picked up the Gujarati language. The first thing I wanted to learn were the Galis, which are very interesting. And yeah, I came back in 4 or 5 days and I presented it to Mr. Bhansali in a reading, and he was like, "This is fabulous, you must go for it." So yes, I am putting myself out there.
कोई ऐसा डायलॉग बोले जो आपको याद रहा हो या फिर मजा आई हो वो बोलने के लिए?
जमखुड़ी माराથી કંટ્રોલ નથી થતો.
When I work with Anushka, you're doing with
Sonakshi you have worked, and as well as you are working with Deepika. So who's you feel is more compatible with you?
I have worked with Anushka twice over, Parineeti, Sonakshi, Deepika, and now I'll start work with Priyanka. They're all very, very exciting artists. Everybody brings something different to the table. You share a different chemistry, with each and everyone. Everybody has a different way of working, functioning, a different sort of temperament. So each one is unique.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.